That's it.
Right. Habit number 5, I like this one. Seek first to understand, then be understood.
Yeah.
I mean, that is really, really something that is so, and you're saying that this came out in 1989.
Yeah.
This is so relevant nowadays. I mean, everything that is being talked about right now. I would say, if not at that time, it's even more relevant now. When we talk about tolerance, when we talk about prejudices, when we talk about, being empathy, which are very, very important things in a person's life. How much do we have the patience to sit and try and understand somebody else's point of view?
People are different. They are not difficult, they say. So you are living at a place with your friends, with your sisters and brothers, but you are different from them. Everyone is different from the other one. That's a simple rule. You are unique. That is what the Almighty has already said. You are unique. You will not be reproduced. So you are different. That is what I need to understand. You are...
And respect that.
Yes, and respect that. If I don't understand and respect that, I'll be reactive. I'll tell you, you are not understanding. Problem is with you, not me. You need to understand me first and then respond to...
And not only that, you're wrong and I'm right.
Yeah, of course. and this is what we call game on, argument stays away, the problem stays away. You don't talk about the problem anymore and you start proving that you are wrong and I am right.
It all becomes so personal.
Yeah, exactly. So that is where you need to understand first and then try to be understood, because it is a tough task. It is a tough task. People are, I was reading recently MBTI test, Myers-Briggs type indicators. There are 16 types of personalities in the world. You are emotional, you are logical, you are extrovert, you are introvert. If I am an introvert and I prefer to stay quiet, that doesn't mean I'm rude.
Yeah, very true.
And if I'm extrovert, that doesn't mean I'm talkative, I'm bad. It's not like that. If I'm extrovert and I am enjoying talking, let me enjoy it. Right? You are introvert, you are enjoying your silence, enjoy it. Why should you criticize me of being talkative? And the other part is, if I'm taking the life with the emotions into the events, there is no wrong in it.
Okay, now, we're talking about this, but, and this is an international author who's written this. What about the relevance of this? I was going to ask you this question at the end, but I'm going to ask you this now, is the relevance in our culture. Because what you've just, said, everyone is unique, everyone is different. How much is that respected in a household? In our society, in our fabric? I don't really think so, because people will be very, very, family members will be very quick to criticize. Oh, him or her, she just sits in her room all day and she doesn't want to talk to anybody. She's just reading books. Why aren't you like your sister?
Yeah, you're right. We need to follow 2-3 golden things which the Holy Book has recommended and which most of the successful people do. As he said, try to understand, and then we understood. Afala yatadabbarun, afala yatafakkarun. Look at the world, observe the world, observe the universe. While observing, you don't comment. You observe first. You are a writer, we observe first, and then we, process the information. We digest, and then we write.
Observe and absorb.
Observe and absorb, yes. This is exactly what we need to do when we are living with the people. Don't comment. Hold on, wait for a while.
That's so true. We're so quick to jump to judgment.
Exactly, and that is where the problem lies. And if you you throw a comment to me, and I'll take it as my responsibility to respond you back with the same comment,
and
with same energy.
And there's round 1 for you.
Yeah, of course.
That's true. That's true.
But we need to develop a habit of reading, Shabnam. We have been talking recently that if these things are relevant to us, what I was talking about offline is we don't have a habit of reading. We need to develop it. Reading and then discussing the book. This is very, very, very important. Ottomans have been doing it. Romans have been doing it. I was recently reading 23 recommended books by Mark Zuckerberg. It was unbelievable. I'm into corporate sector. I told a few days back, to my friend that you should read some books. And he reacted, I must say, immediately. Come on, who reads books
Who reads
nowadays?
books? Yeah,
I
that's
told
so
him,
sad, isn't it?
yeah,
Yeah.
I told him, you know, Mark Zuckerberg, billionaire, because he reads books. And
Now
he
will
has
you read a book?
recommended, he has recommended 23 books, and the best one, top of the all, was Muqaddimah Ibn Khaldun. He said this book connects me to both the worlds, the world I haven't seen, the world I'm living in, and the world that is coming after me. So, and it helps me develop a better Facebook. So you need to develop this habit, and if you are developing this habit, you'll be having better people in your life and in your, office.
Right. Habit number 6.